This is a tub another company had refinished a couple of years ago. They would not return her call, so I told her I'd just come out and touch it up for her. But it's really a shame. They did a good job. Not sure what the deal was, but anyway, I'm going to touch it up and then I'll get out of here. I repaired a crack that was up front here. And then of course what I had showed back on this area here, and then there was just a little bit of discoloration back here. I got that fixed. Like I say, it's not a full refinish. I'm just helping her out